Hello, my name is Parker Jones, and this is the Enhancement 9 video. So I will just go through the list. First thing is to go to one of the vehicles that I added another image to. So I did a Batmobile. So we're going to go in here, and you'll see that we have this image and this one. And real quick, we're just going to validate. Nope, we're not doing that. Validate the HTML and CSS. You'll see that this passes with flying colors, and let's check the CSS. Same. Okay. And then I'm also going to just show when we make it smaller, you'll see that this header, vehicle thumbnails, comes up, and they're right here, and they no longer are going bigger when I hover over them. So that is that. So now I'll do the inspect. So when we do inspect, let's just show the sizes of each of the images. So for this image, the big one, it's no larger than 500, you'll see. You'll see it hovering over the image there. And then if we go to, yeah, there we go. Let's scroll down. That is 200 and that is 200. So none of them are bigger than it's supposed to be. Small one's 200, big one's 500. Okay. Okay, and then we are going to go into the code. Let's go in here, the functions. Okay, so now we're going to show this function that I built with a build thumb display. It takes in the thumb images, just an array of thumbnail images, and it just makes a little. First of all, it adds the vehicle thumbnails in there, just the header, and then a div. And then for each of the images in that, we just create the image with an alternative text of thumbnail image of make model. So pretty simple there. And then we'll just kind of show where that goes. So if we go into the controller here, you'll see we take thumb images. So we're creating a variable here, and then we're calling the get thumb images, which that's found in the uploads model, get thumb images, and it's just querying SQL, and it's getting all of the necessary stuff, and you'll see that it's getting all the right things from the right places, and it's interjoining the inventory and images, all that fun stuff, and making sure that it is a thumbnail. So then we'll go back to the controller. So we get all that info in an array, and then we're going to say, hey, if it doesn't have anything in it, then we're just going to say, sorry, no extra thumbnail images could be found. But if it is, we're going to call that function we just showed, the build thumb display. And in the actual PHP here, we added a if is set thumb display, echo thumb display, just like we did for info display and for the message. That's kind of how that worked there. And the last thing it wants me to show is the images table, and you'll see for each one there is a thumbnail with it as well. And this is the one that I recently added, bulkybat-tn. I also added a couple others that I can't find here, but either way, that is where that is. So that is my enhancement 9.